packed. I was gone for 3 weeks. My flight's boarding already. I've said this before. The sooner you get on that plane, the luxury begins. Not only, listen, not just first class, I'm first. How are you?
Very good. How are you?
Excellent, thank you. For the 10-year budget trip, there's been a lot of luxury. We're going to begin. We have slippers. They're kelp-lined pajamas. Yes. How about that I made it back here? What, third, fourth time? Cheers. We've had 15 days of beating up by the sun, the sea, the mountains. You fell in Zeus's cave. For God's sakes, have a glass of champagne. Absolutely. Thank you. Thank you. A little Arabic coffee. Hold on.
Gentlemen, thank you for your attention. And now I invite you to sit back.
Paired with the dates.
Just you guys better on the sound, please.
Yes, very much so. Thank you. You know, I wasn't even sure that I was going to take this trip this year, and here I am in a first-class cabin. Grateful doesn't express how I feel. So we're getting ready to take off, and when we do, when the seatbelt sign goes off, that's when the pampering begins. Y'all, I am ready to indulge in this first-class experience.
Dates, right?
Yes.
Yes. Oh,
that was so
I
good.
offered you before, but you didn't want.
I know.
But yeah, you changed your mind.
You changed my mind. Thank you. Oh, I see. I've never been in the 777. You know, the ceiling to
game
floor.
changer. You have to come to Tokyo.
Oh, that's where I have to go.
Yeah, from Dubai to Tokyo.
Okay. Well,
And then
I'm going to say I know Michiko.
Yes.
Dining on demand and it's an exquisite personal service, but the main difference between business class and first class is privacy. It's unbelievable that the amount of five-star restaurant quality food that comes out of that little galley. These aren't flight attendants, these are magicians. Beautiful. I am in absolute awe that I am indulging in restaurant quality food 35,000 feet up. It is a mix of gratitude and disbelief. Not just once, but twice on this trip, I experienced a type of luxury that I didn't see coming. It's a reminder that sometimes life has surprises and plans for you. This meal, outstanding. Each dish is prepared with care, but the presentation of how it's served, it's an elevation in itself. The best is every suite has a private, like a sanctuary in the sky. In this type of privacy, you cannot help but reflect how fortunate I am for this type of experience, especially when they feel like a dream come true. My goodness. Success.
It was nice.
It was delicious.
Very good to hear that. Would you like to go for the dessert?
The chocolate delight?
Chocolate delight.
Absolutely. Okay, well, thank you so know Emirates is known for their high-quality chocolates. The thread in their dessert service. Divine. I don't want any more food, though. No wonder they give you stretchy pajamas. I just had my last bite, and I want to settle into my suite. Somebody say they wanted some chamomile tea and a lay-down flat bed. Oh my God. So there's only 3 hours left. A 10-hour flight is not brutal under these circumstances. No, the opposite. I stood up so you could see the lights.
I don't believe that you've been working the whole time.
I slept.
Really?
Yeah, I didn't want to.
Okay.
I didn't want to. I mean, you did your job very well, because I don't like to sleep. But
I'm sure you didn't sleep much.
I think it added up to 3 hours, because I had 2 naps. Oh, very good.
Absolute pleasure meeting you.
Oh, how nice.
Honestly, I wish you all the best.
Oh, well, thank you.
Wherever you go.
Well, thank you
whatever you do.
Thank you and everyone who took such good care of me.
Thank you very much. Because of that, because I'm telling you, you made us happy the moment you stepped on
Oh,
board.
my
I
goodness.
really appreciate it.
Oh, that's nice.
So
Thank you so
very
much.
much. Seriously.
So thank you for coming along on my Greek Odyssey 10-year anniversary trip. I still have to go through customs. I have to get a hotel. I have to take a flight in the morning. I think this now concludes the playlist. In fact, the next scene should be a reuniting with Mr. Meatball. On my first island, I found a volleyball. Either left behind or lost in the current, I adopted it and took it on an unexpected ride. I want to take it around the island. It's so nice floating on it, carrying it across 3 different islands. It became an unlikely companion, from floating along the coastlines to even making its way to an abandoned hotel project on Naxos and the Agata luxury villa. In many ways, it mirrors my trip, filled with surprises, kindness. Hello, thank you so much. What a surprise.
What a surprise.
It was very much. Well, at least let me give you a hug. Thank you so much. Thank you.
It's nice having you back here.
And moments of pure joy. Now, just like my journey, the volleyball has a final destination. Back home in Meatball's puppy pool. Welcome to America, Greek volleyball, where your journey ends just as mine does, with gratitude and unexpected adventure.